First round CAO offers were issued today, showing that points have risen for more than half of college courses. There has also been a drop in the proportion of students getting their first choice college place.
Rehearsals for West Side Story in full swing at the Theatre Royal in Waterford, but practice had to be paused today for some cast members so they could check their CAO offers, and the reviews were positive.
So I'm really happy, first choice social care in SETU, so I'm really grateful because a lot of hard work paid off, so yeah, I'm delighted.
More than 95,700 CAO applications were received this year, an increase of more than 6,000 on last year, something which was expected to push points up overall. Almost 54% of courses recorded points increases, with 38% seeing points fall, and in what may be a reflection of job fears caused by AI, points for computer science courses have fallen across 7 universities. As many students were anxiously checking the CAO website throughout today, there were renewed calls for the system to be overhauled to make it less stressful. A coalition of groups representing students, parents, teachers and principals have urged the government to reform the points race, describing it as having a pressure cooker effect on young people. Today, the Minister for Higher Education said he's already looking at how to create more avenues into courses.
Like the tertiary degrees, so there are 68 programmes still accepting applicants outside of the CAO completely. So any student who might be disappointed today can still access a tertiary degree. Even today, tomorrow, they can go and apply for those. I mentioned apprenticeships, further education. There are many, many pathways now through the system.
For those who did receive an offer today, the acceptance deadline is next Tuesday. Second round offers will be available on the 7th of September. Brian O'Donovan, RTE News.
And you can visit the RT News app and RT News Online to use our CAO Points Checker to see points for every course in the country and how they compare to previous years.